Hello again. Nice to see you. Today we're going to make something which is a continuation of what we made before in the previous videos. This time we're going to make the Tnee Kuih. We have already made the New Year cake Tnee Kuih, and now I'm going to show you how we eat that after Chinese New Year or even before Chinese New Year. Tnee Kuih is also known as Nian Gao or Kuih bakul. Bakul is a basket because in the olden days we used to steam it in little bamboo baskets and lined with banana leaves. That's why the Malays call it Kuih bakul. So now we're going to use that Kuih bakul to make a snack. So hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonyarecipe. Nyonyarecipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And if you like my food and you like what I'm doing, and if you find that my cooking videos are useful and you learn something from it, either through skills or just plain entertaining, please give a like and press the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I update or I upload. And I upload a video each day. So let's not waste any more time. Let's see what are the ingredients we need, and I assure you it's going to be very, very simple. And I've got a trick for you as well. I'm going to do the traditional way, but I'm going to put a spin on it. So let's go. To make this steamed Tnee Kuih or New Year cake, obviously you need a New Year cake and some coconut. I'm using desiccated coconut because I can't find fresh or frozen coconut here at the moment in where I live. You'll need a bit of oil for oiling. You need a steamer, of course, and if you have this, ta-da! This is the like something you can pick hot things with. Yeah, so it's good if you're steaming a lot of things. It's good to invest in this. And of course you need some metal plates, or if you don't have metal plates, any plate will do. It will go to the steamer. And a brush, a fork, and a pair of chopsticks if you have. Depends on how you do it, you know. You can also use baking tin like this one. I'll remove the cling film which I have wrapped it over to prevent it from getting moldy. Yeah, so you see it's a bit dry now, and I need to remove the paper, so I'm going to remove the paper. So if you are using a greaseproof paper, it's quite easy to tear out, but except for the top, you know, sometimes it gets a bit stuck here, and then you either cut it off or you soak it in the water for a few minutes for it to come out. So most of it has come out. You can actually pull it out if you can. See, I don't think I need to soak. Cut it into little pieces, and these pieces should be quite small because you're going to steam it, and if it's too big, you can actually, it doesn't get soft very quickly. So yeah, about this size, about maybe less than 1 cm or 1 cm. See, it's soft. I'm putting some oil in a glass. Yeah, I prefer to put it in the tall glass, then I can stand the little brush here, so I can brush a bit over here. Okay. Then I'll cut it. You see, it's still soft. When we were young, when it's still soft, we just eat it straight from the mold, you know, the tin, and then we dip it in coconut. But this has got a few days already. Yeah. So. Okay, I'm going to cut it this way. I think bigger piece is nicer. So I'll brush some oil on the tin to make sure that it's all covered with some oil. And I'm going to put this one, put all this thing inside here. Make sure it's a bit, there's some space in between, because when it steams it gets softened and it will spread. Okay. If your Tnee Kuih, your New Year cake is quite hard, you might want to spray with some water. I think this one is quite hard, so You might want to spray with some water. So I've set the steamer, so we steam it under medium heat until it gets soft. I think it should take about 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on how hard your kuih is. So while waiting for the steamer to steam the cake, we take about a cup or so of coconut. You can have more or less as you wish. And I'm going to add about a pinch or two of salt. So this is a quarter of a teaspoon. So we just mix it up. You might want to taste it. Some people like it a bit saltier, some people want it less salty. So this is just a guide. This one will be ready, and we'll dip the cake into this, the kuih into this. Okay, your coconut is ready. I have another idea. Instead of just using it with coconut, I'm going to use sesame seed, toasted sesame seed. I use white toasted sesame seed. I normally have this ready in my kitchen. So I'm going to pour some here. Maybe less than a quarter teaspoon. This is sesame seed. You might want to try something else later on. I do have peanut, but I haven't roasted it yet. So let's start with this first. So now the steamer is ready. Woo! Can you see? Yes. Take the tray out. Here you go. Ta-da! It is ready. And here we put it this way. So we'll now take one of these up. Ooh, it's very soft. I think I need to use some oil so it doesn't stick. We'll put it here. Here. And we quickly cover it with coconut. On the sesame, same thing. Just use another fork or spoon. So this is one. So now we're going to plate up. So this is the coconut. So here we are, a few pieces of this. Okay. Yep. I use coriander for garnishing so it looks nice. So here we have our Tnee Kuih New Year cake, steamed and then coated with coconut, which is a usual traditional way. And I've also used sesame seed as well. This is something new for me as well, so you might want to try it and tell me how it tastes like, and try and experiment with other things. Here we have the Tnee Kuih, which I have steamed as a snack. I'm going to taste it. It does get a bit not so soft. It hardens a bit when it's cold. So it's good to eat it not too long after steaming. So here goes. So I'm going to take the traditional one, which is, I'm using my finger, but it's okay. So I've cut it into sort of squarish. This one is the traditional way that we do it. We use coconut, but at home in Malaysia we use fresh coconut, and it will taste better with fresh coconut because desiccated coconut has a smell which you don't get from fresh coconut, and the smell is slightly different. To me it smells like a bit, initially it smells like a bit rancid, but I'm used to it. The second one that I'm experimenting is with sesame seed. So this is quite a big piece. can feel the nutty sesame there. So it's different. It tastes like mochi or moaji. In Hokkien we call it moaji. Moa means sesame. Ji is like a kuih, you know. Moaji is the sesame, you know, cake snack, glutinous rice snack. So it's good. We normally eat this. The Tnee Kuih hardens more. We will cook it in another way, and I will show you later when I have all the ingredients for that. When I make the trip to the Chinese supermarket, then I get all the ingredients, then I can start doing the other snacks from Tnee Kuih. I hope you enjoy doing that or inspired to go and try different things. So until the next time, I'm Loretta, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button or the bell button so that you can inform of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you think another person might benefit from watching this video. Bye then. See you in the next video. See you in the next meal. Makan-makan. Bye.